Right now, our percentage is how much?
We can provide we can.
Okay. If you're confident, then I'm okay. It's just I feel that it's a lot of detail work, whether we are detailed enough to pick up or not.
If not, why we get helps from the expenditures and we provide the ID books, but the detailing, if you get help from them as well, if they have the library.
Or I can work with another design build contractor lah. Let them do the detailing. Okay.
So it was originally breakdown.
Okay.
So if the ID would take, let's say for 5 million, so 10% of 5 million would be 500.
So why is 10%?
So no, for the ID. I mean, like you said, how much is ID fee normally?
I think about 6%.
6%.
6 to 8%.
6%. So 6%.
Yeah.
So
6 to
5 million.
3.
We try to get 6%. If they want to be 8% and 6, no choice now.
100. So let's say if it's 6% out of the construction.
Oh, right at the back.
Yeah.
Right at the back.
Cepat makan.
So our fee, let's say this inclusive ID is 260.
What's the construction cost?
Originally we take 4.5 estimation.
Okay.
4.5 million.
Okay.
So this will be inclusive our arch and ID fee. So that's why I was worried if we take out portions of this to the ID, I think we will reduce on our part on the fee.
Definitely, because it's part of the whole thing, right?
Yeah.
Because you have to take, let's say 4.5 million. So you have to take out, let's say 800,000 for ID. So 800,000 ID at 8%.
So 8% out of this. So on the ID fee lah.
Yeah.
Out of this 800,000. So
64,000
out of 800 and out of 5 million.
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So 64 million.
So it will be around 64 million.
No, 64,000.
64,000.
So it has to be deducted from here.
Okay. So this will be on the ID fee lah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So that's why I was worried if 8% out of 4.5 million, then it would take up
all the
fees.
No, only the ID file, only the ID file.
Okay.
But I think most likely the building will cost more.
Yeah.
What's the US budget now? As this architecture?
The one he shared to us, I think around 6 million.
Already. So is Chia aware?
No.
Tell him already.
We haven't. I mean, because QS haven't finalized detailing everything according to the drawings yet. It's just estimation.
But it's good that we know now 6
Yeah.
million whether the client is okay or not. If not, a lot of things we got to reduce really, reduce finishes.
Exactly. But I think last time we did mention it might raise up to around 5 to 6 million. I mean, during our last.
Okay, so if it's okay with 6 million, then with add ID we add ID 1 million. So that will be better for everyone.
That's a lot.
I'll find the record again. I mean, the one that Cherry has estimated. But
so you understand the calculation, right? You have to take out from the architecture.
Yeah. So this one is take out from ID lah.
Yeah.
ID solution, not from the overall lah. So let's say we put in 1 million.
So I was thinking if we are going to get other people to do, we'll sub it out at 6%. So we retain the 2% as profit and attendance. If the ID is willing lah.
Okay. So 2% for our P&A lah.
Alright. So now is we decide internally among us, see what's your office capability, what you guys are willing to do and can do.
Yeah, and we want to take this as opportunities to show our portfolio as well for
Okay.
work
So we actually have to
detailing as well.
work quite hard lah. There's a lot of things like joinery detailing, material selection. So you have to build up your
Library.
maybe your profit margin may not be so good because you have to build up your library.
Yes.
And then a lot of context, a lot of time spent with the suppliers.
Yes.
Talk to different suppliers, get more information on them.
Gather material as well. I mean, we did getting some sample material like the windows, glasses.
So you'll be doing it lah.
Together lah. He's leading it.
Okay.
This one is very important. He's the main designer.
Okay.
Actually, my previous work is in IT.
Oh, your previous work is
This
IT.
company is doing the ID
Which
detailing.
company?
GSIM architect.
Who?
GSIM.
GSIM.
Direct.
I don't know. What's our ID? Residential?
Commercial.
No, commercial.
Commercial. Alright. Good. So you understand the calculation and that's okay, yeah? That's okay.
Okay.
So now we go back in place. I think this one okay lah, this other option okay. But it shouldn't happen for the project like this lah. The engineer should have highlighted those long time ago. Okay, so I want to look at the roof plan. So area like this. So from now on, after today's discussion, whatever changes we do, we must plug already.
Yeah.
QS, other QS cannot pick up.
Yes.
So things like this, all the glass area. Which glass?
This one,
This glass.
yeah, this is class. This is class.
Any other glass?
Okay, that's it. Here the main dining area.
This glass also.
This is louvers.
Because the name.
Louvers.
What is it? Oh, here glass.
Glass. And
This
this
one
one?
got glass name.
Yeah, glass on top. Glass on top.
Mm.
With louvers.
Okay, so this is
For the
unique.
balcony.
What is this?
This one. Apa?
Eh,
No, I think it should be.
Oh,
Shouldn't be a
bukan.
line. Shouldn't be a line. Can.
Betul.
Yeah, shouldn't be. Just put in. I mean, this is just a template for aircon.
So dotted line lah.
Yes.
Should be dotted line for aircon condenser lah.
It should be a.
Have they decided on which aircon yet?
The one that you said that you have.
Did they go and see?
That one not sure. Remember, we suggested him lah. We suggested him last
You
time.
must go then. Ask them to see quite near already. Must decide because it's not quite expensive, you know. Reality is quite
And
expensive.
then one more thing I got feedback from the M&E solutions. Because when you upgrade for all the floors, the capacity is exceeding like that we will require to have compact stuff because of the capacity here is very huge. So trying to get the M&E to do some options. Okay, what if we do some split unit, various units, so that we will not try to have compact stuff because compact stuff is
Outside the house.
yeah. Within our site.
Another option I'm getting is actually to get a consultant, a friend of mine, to look at photovoltaic. If you can get photovoltaic for the whole house, they can run the aircon 24/7. It's free electricity. And interestingly, I also learned also, for aircon, use your security blanket.
dia?
What is that?
Aircon.
When you sit down, also must carry the bag.
Oh.
Is it?
Oh, this one. No,
Oh, tak, ni
no,
record.
You want to record?
Oh no, I mean his bag.
Oh, the back.
Cannot let go one, is it?
Nak as a handle.
Huh?
As a handle.
No.
But some people,
It's secure to have it on
they,
you.
like I got one nephew, he goes everywhere must carry a bag one.
Oh.
So if you don't have bag, don't feel
Because
secure.
You're afraid they left it.
Or feel more secure lah. So that's called English is called security blanket.
Oh, security
Blanket is
blanket.
in Malaysia one.
Slimut.
Huh?
Slimut.
Selimut. So security, selamat.
Slimut.
Selimut.
Slimut selamat.
Keselamatan.
Keselamatan selimut. Selimut keselamatan. Okay, so we need to sort out the aircon. That's number one.
Aircon.
Okay, so you have section of all this.
Yeah. This one is sections for
That's in-
BB, we have section BB and AA.
Across the
We do
glass.
have some railing like that.
Across the glass.
Yang
across
roof
here.
roof detailnya.
We cut here, and this one, A, here. We do cross here,
Where is
and then another we cross here. B is we cross here. This one.
Let's look at this one.
This one is A.
Oh, where?
This is A.
Okay, so this one, I'm here the other day.
This is the detailing. That is this drawing detailing. Okay, we have it.
Okay. In general, when there's a glass over the roof, I prefer them to be like that. The glass like that.
Yep.
Not inside. Because inside tend to leak. So if you have like this, it's better to go over it.
Sekejap, ni ke ground floor, cari yang
No,
roofnya.
we look at the big one first.
The roof detailing for FF.
This one.
Tak.
Roof detailing.
Ni.
Okay. This is for the dining area kan?
Kaca.
The roof
Sekejap.
detailing for this.
Setoro. Untuk roof kan? Satu lagi.
So we have, yeah, the straight
All the
drawing.
beams are following the CNS on it. All the beams.
Should have it. Because there is a drawing as well.
And the column also. Okay, where?
But it's still adjusting lah. That's why we negotiating with them some of it.
This one,
Ya.
Yes.
And this one, whose structure is that? CNS or us?
Us.
Us. Okay. So, as I told you earlier, generally from when you have like this, I think safer to have
Extend it.
like this so that you have less waterproofing problem. Yeah.
So it will extend it to the
Yeah.
so it will go like that.
Yeah. And all this need to have scupper drain and or fall away or whatever scupper drain.
Macam ni. Ke lebih lagi.
Oh, here the drain,
Oh.
no scupper drain.
Fall to street.
No fall to street also. Where's the street?
Sekejap.
Fall to
You need a street, you know. You need the.
Yeah, the street. We have it
Yeah,
at
this is a 50
the
mm street now.
Ini.
yeah. I mean we have like this. I mean fall to street. Detailing we did mention on the roof part there is a fall to street, and we have also indicate the directions of the falling
Yeah.
on the roof plan. Yeah, something like this, the straight fall.
Okay.
So whenever the roof drops,
Okay.
so and the position of the scupper drain we did as well include the perimeter.
Oh, perimeter lah.
this
Okay.
perimeter.
Okay. And then the outlet to the downpipe.
Outlet, the rainwater downpipe, yes, we do have it as well here, rainwater
So
downpipe.
we have what you use? We got either is scour, dome shape.
That one is
Or whatever,
we
or
don't
flats.
we don't specifically mention what types, but we just put it like rainwater downpipe. If you have any suggestion, we can.
No, we can search now. We can search now.
right.
Try to put in so that we can good that can sieve off the leaves and all this one. No? Normally it's a dome shape lah.
No.
Dome, D O
Oh,
M
okay,
E.
dome shape.
Yeah, dome shape.
Okay.
Scour, SCOWL.
Okay. Don't show scar. Okay. Google those.
That's a cover to it lah. Okay. Outlet.
Alright. So we have included like the rainwater downpipe,
Okay.
some shift position.
So each one also need to fall, no? Let's say here need to fall here, here need to fall there.
Okay.
Right? And the corner, ideally the corner should have that. Otherwise how the turn corner? I don't really see. You start from the corner lah. You start from the corner first.
Yeah,
The
should
corner-
have it one more lah. Should have it one more because we have corner here, corner, but this one is missed out lah. Missed it out.
Okay, so now we come to this glass. We need to decide what sort of system we have lah. Whether it's going to be right now that you have. Where's the glass? Where's the glass line?
Scupper drain.
Center line.
Yang.
This is the glass line.
Hmm?
This is the glass line. This will be the frame line.
Corner need
Top one is the
Top one is glass.
floor track.
So it could be, which means that we have the frame and then the glass like that,
Yes.
right? So the fall will like that.
Yep.
Okay. So this will be a silicon joint lah. Silicon joint.
Silicon joint on top.
Yeah. And the division of the glass.
Plan. Let's go to plan this one. We have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now what size?
Ah, kenapa 4?
Sizes. Ada dimension there. That's it. Separate.
No,
from
the glass comes like also like plastic, like plywood lah.
It can be customized lah.
It can be done by
that fit.
Aku tahu.
It's like
Aku
4 by 8
tahu kalau
also.
4 aku buat 3.
Berapa?
Oh, actually,
3.6.
Kalau nak
divide by 2 ah.
1.8. 1.8 still big, no. But you don't divide there, no. You divide where your support is, you know. So you have to work out your support
Yes.
first.
So it will be framed like that lah. It will be we try to have minimal jointing lah. That's why
Yes,
we try
yes,
to
yes.
have. Otherwise, water leaking.
Yes, of course.
that's why,
But you also need to look at the
Logistic.
structure. The structure. So I guess number one is to decide on the structure first now. Where's the fall? The fall in here, or anything else?
Can you talk again?
Fall to what?
Yeah, where is this one?
Huh?
Ini.
This one?
Fall to here.
Fall to the front.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Mm.
So we need to decide if you want to have a structure below, this structure supporting what? This structure doesn't seem to be supporting anything, no? Currently.
Aku nak baca. Apa ni? Glass beam.
I think is this one yang crossing this? So this one is the one crossing here. Kan? This one crossing here.
Yeah.
And the one he showed is this one crossing here.
Yeah.
But I think the size will be
Now,
smaller
what's the
lah.
section taken? The section is like that, nah? The section taken
E.
like that. EE. So this is like that.
Besar sangat. Nak support macam tu.
How what is it?
This line it's just these indications of this lah. Just 9.
So less than 3 lah.
Higher.
Less than 3 lah. Huh? From here to here is 3.6. So
Yeah,
from here to
3.6.
here it must be less than 3 lah.
Here
Berapa?
is 3. This one is less than 3.
How much?
This one is 100, is it?
This one is 1 to 100. Yes.
3 point something also. 3.3. This one 4 lah. Not 3.6.
To scale and drawing.
4. This one 4.
Now the dimensions is this one
4.3. 4.3.
3.65.
That's quite a lot now. 4.3. Quite big.
E.
This one.
4.6.
3.6.
And then we try to divide equally lah.
Yep.
Especially when you see below.
Mm.
So the equal division should be here.
Mm.
So 3.6 is close to 30. Yeah, 3.6 correct. 3.6 close to 30. You see, we must also think of how people look up. How does it look like?
Good.
So the problem we have this is that this partner will gather dust problem. So it's better for us to put the frame
Right
outside.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Flush with this.
Yeah, flush with it, with the shadow line.
Mm.
With the shadow line. and
Anything.
if we put it to radius 1.2. Okay. This one not nice lah, because for luxurious bungalow to see
The
too
plate.
industrial. It should be
I think we can just
hidden.
just omit this. So it should
No,
be.
whether you need it or not in the first place, you know. You may not need so big because it's only 3 meter. Only 3 meter, 3 meter.
So just one brace lah, just going that way. Just instead of having this.
No, this is correct. Having these two is correct because this is the shortest distance.
Span.
So shortest span, you take it as a beam to support this one. So this one, I don't know how many you need. This one 3, also you need 2, I think. Or you want 1 only. One point something. Okay, no, you want 1 also can. So 1. So ideally when you look up, you should see all this same thing, you know.
Yes.
That's the
size.
best. Same size for all. That's a nice,
Yep.
nice simple look lah. So whether you can achieve that or not.
I think we can.
But one thing we need to talk to the aluminium supplier, whether the aluminium frame from here can span 3 meter by 100 by 50 or not. Maybe you investigate that.
Okay.
So my thought is that we should make all these the same.
Yes.
All these elements the same. So they ideally there's no joint. This is what paid by something. Cannot lah. So no choice lah. Or can we just have 2 joints? 1.8, 2.4. Okay, 1.8 okay. But cross, don't know whether Peter like it or not. Another way is just, so the 2 options, another way is to just do here, 1 single joint only, the glass.
Yeah, just one single joint.
And then 1. But keep the element all the same size if possible.
Okay.
So no need this, no need this. Yeah.
So
And then extend out. And then so that here we can, if there's any waterproofing problem, we put outside, you don't see anything. Here you don't see anything. So we have here
Don't see what inside.
a line of shadow line lah. Shadow line. Like this. Shadow line here. So this shadow line will be a sloping shadow line. Shadow line below the this aluminium.
Okay.
So aluminium sitting on the RC
Okay.
So they will be plastering here. So the plastering here we have a shadow line here.
Create some curve like a C channel. We put so in terms of finishing RC. So we put some
Plastering.
skin.
Yeah.
The frame will be here.
I don't know outside.
Oh here.
Ah, yeah,
Oh
yeah.
okay. Alright, so it will be something like that. Okay.
So that's one place solved. So I think to minimize the joint, probably just 4 pieces will do like as per the plan.
Okay.
Huh?
That's for one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because when you have this problem, because when you have this problem, because when you have this, your joint is in the center. There's no support for
Yes.
the frame. Yeah? And the next glass area.
So it is done now. Moving on to this one. Okay, this one. DD. Where is DD? Glass. This one.
Okay. So same thing lah.
Okay. Yeah, same thing. So we do have the shadow line and then aluminium on top and then the. So this one, what about the frame? Can we do just
One frame.
One frame.
Let's scale it up. What scale 100 is it?
100%. Less than 2 meters.
Yeah. Okay lah.
Yeah, should be, yes.
So it's one piece lah.
Yes.
Okay.
And then another one, this one. This one is like what?
Ground floor.
Ada apa?
And the glass, have we specified the glass?
Panjang.
We did mention kan apa spec laminated.
Laminated,
Kat mana?
laminated and
Because we did check as well with the supplier lah kan.
Yes.
So that waterproofing no, this is waterproofing. Laminated glass sky roof. Just we put like laminated.
has to be safe, has to be
Tempered.
tempered, has to be tempered.
Laminated tempered.
Laminated tempered. So this one same thing lah, yeah. Same system we use.
Yeah.
Another glass area. This one.
So the one is the corridor. Yeah.
This one is
FF. Yeah, this one.
But this one a bit funny, oh. This one, how come? We look up, you see this.
Kenapa nak beli ni beda? That's why you cut through FF. What is this slab?
How to fix this?
the balcony.
Balcony.
How to fix this is very difficult. You look at him now.
Depan ni sahaja rasanya.
That is some part of that one is happened this happened here. What if we start our we change the
We stop
instrument?
short the skyline,
Yeah,
we don't look up.
we do start from here.
Yeah.
So this could be just so today we do the
So we
same.
don't do this.
Same.
We don't do this lah. Yeah.
So
Okay.
we
So what's the scale? What's the 30? This is almost 2 meter. No, I don't know whether it's stand by itself. No? 2 meter. But depending on your in between lah. In between is, let's say is 900 or 1.2 maybe okay lah. Because you got another member running the direction there. Where's my plan? So 1 meter okay lah. So 1 meter by about 2 meter. So the size got to be determined by the supplier lah. Check with supplier. This is a dimension we have. What size we should use a frame lah.
Okay.
So our frame is frameless lah. Is the frame below, and then the frame on top, and then here silicon.
Okay. Both sides.
No, like that. No?
The seal.
So here all silicon lah, all sides.
This is where we try to achieve the look lah. So underneath will be there's a timber frame, timber looks frame as well. So it will create that.
Also, there's another frame below.
Yeah.
How does it look here?
Drawings. Yeah.
Here. We need to draw timber.
There
also.
should be a timber.
How the timber is going to be fixed? How is it going to be clean? Also, we need to consider.
What if it's like this? So we allow some curve for the concrete RC, so the timber will lay on top. So it will be.
We can follow the slope or
Sorry?
we can follow the slope.
Follow the slope.
Follow the slope.
And there is slope dropping.
But this one is like straight.
So very gentle
Just
at a slope kan.
very gentle slope.
Yang mana?
Because otherwise we don't want the rain to drop on the other side.
Or you want the timber to be here.
Oh, what about the glass?
You glass on top.
On top.
Probably easier. Too close is very hard to do, you know. How to do the timber, you put timber there.
Yeah, I think we could do this as well. So it will be like hanging glass on top lah, so
Mm.
the frame will be underneath.
Mm.
Yeah, I think that will be nice as
How about
well.
all this timber? All this timber will be here.
Ah,
Yes.
Oh, then better below then. Then better below.
make it line everything.
No, better align
Okay,
everything.
okay, yeah.
Better align everything.
Alright. Okay.
So we need to detail this timber.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
So this timber, the best is probably with the piece here. Because otherwise very hard to fix.
mm.
Or unless you two options like you either do flush. Let me draw. One option is you do your timber here, timber
yes.
here, and then this piece here, this piece here, and then like that. That's one option. Another option is you do this here with this timber. I don't know how you finish it. This one also need to finish properly.
Mm.
And then this one on top also can. This or this one.
Mm. Okay. We will do the 3D and have a
But
look.
this one looks like your
Yeah.
concept looks more like
Slightly
this.
higher a little bit.
Okay. So need to include the timber already because otherwise you don't know how to fix it. Because if you allow too much, too little room, very hard to fix. Very hard to clean, very hard to paint also.
Okay.
Huh? Okay. Good. So this one done. Any more glass?
We have one more. We have one at the left here. Then here is done. Here is done.
How about this small
Another
one?
one is this one, the timber strip in the car.
Yang ni.
Oh, timber strip here. This one. Ada.
Ha?
Small one, this small one.
Yeah, small one. This one.
Kalau yang panjang ni.
Ya, ya. Mana?
This
This
one.
one.
Mana glass?
This one. Ni ke?
Yup, yang tu.
How to drain man, this one?
Tu.
This is longkang
Tu.
Collect all the
Oh
water.
yeah, longkang is actually here. So the slab is slightly higher. So this is the railing that you when you stand on here.
Wah,
Yeah.
this one
Ini
too-
tak contour
too
macam mana.
easy.
You might as well take off the last slab.
Unless you drain it here. Quite a long drain. It's nice lah, but you have to solve it. You have to solve it properly lah.
Or we can do the glass at the top.
But you still need to drain it. You still you need to drain it. Either you drain it both sides, here and here.
Oh,
Higher. What level is this? Where is this level?
sebelah dia. Yang tu.
This one the level.
So this level ni higher, so it will be the level yang ni flush dengan floor lah kan?
Oh, higher.
Higher.
Oh.
This one. Same level lah.
Same level?
Mana?
Ni. This one and this one. Same level ke or ni higher?
Sekejap. Tengok. Yang tu dah terendah dari ni. Sebab sini floor. Ni floor.
Oh, higher. This one higher. This one very much lower. So cannot bring it.
This one. 4.3 here. Right.
Oh,
4.3.
ada.
That one also
4.35 is here.
Over.
Here. Even higher.
So this guy is lower.
Hmm.
So this is lower. We look at the 3D, when we open the 3D, this is it.
First floor. Plan 4350. Sebab dia sambung ke first
Tak ada idea ni ya. Ini pun.
Oh.
Slightly lower. So this is lower than the slab. So I think we need to top this one lah. So and the glass there.
It's between there.
Yeah, it's in between there. Will be in between here. For mine as well, we just do slab as this. As per 3D lah, tak perlu put that glass. So this one morning glass lah.
Because the roof actually cover. The roof cover the.
There's a gap
Yeah.
there, isn't it?
Yes, there will be. Tapi, I mean, if our 3D we don't have the gap lah. We extend all the way. But there's a thing lah. On the drawings, we do allow some gap lah, so the roof will not touch the wall, so that it gives some breathable spaces.
Oh.
Which option do you think is good?
Where is this? Which level is this?
This level will be the same as this level.
Oh, same as this
Same level
level.
step up. Same thing, but we just allocate glasses.
Glass railing.
So there will be some railing here as well. So the roof as well we offset so that light will comes in here.
And this
This will be
this side.
yeah this side. So
Okay, where is
means
this?
the railing.
Where is this?
this is
the
glass,
main building.
the main building slab.
But then that one is glass or timber.
Timber.
But then this is solid.
This will be different
Sliding,
detailing
yeah.
lah. Different detailing. This there will
Oh.
be different detailing lah.
Yes.
Kan?
Different detailing.
There will be different detailing that we show the timber things.
Okay.
So
The only
so there
cladding,
will be there will be timber strip here. So the longkang will be somewhere in between here. So we put railing. So because we don't want the roof to touch on the wall, so we keep that.
If we don't put this will come down to here. Is it?
Yeah, some part of it.
So it'll be same level as this. If you don't want this how to
This part, the roof will be, it will end here. It will end somewhere. So means that the glasses here longkang is now. It will go. If you take the longkang off, then the water will drop up to here lah. I mean yes, I mean same level.
I don't understand.
Hello?
So this one is actually for this one. For this room. So it should be and up to here. It's not under the this.
Mana ni?
So
Connection dengan ni?
this is split. The split level. This means this one. Here is actually
What's connection to
front.
this?
It's here actually. This. So this one is actually.
So if you don't want this,
Here.
you can just continue this.
Yes, you can continue that one. Just continue at the wall.
How important is this light? This
Yes,
skylight.
light.
Can see skylight.
Hmm?
Can get skylight.
Just
What's the space below?
Space is
Just walk away.
Below
just
also.
walk away.
It's more like a separator from this
No,
to this, right?
another way of doing is whether if you want to do skylight, then the skylight can be same level as this roof. Then
Same
maybe it's
level.
okay.
understand.
Because right now is higher level.
Yeah, higher level.
That's the problem. Where to drain to?
We can do the skylight, but at the same level as this one, this roof, so that we can have here the glass, right?
Yeah. You study that lah. We look into that. Okay. Any other skylight? Ada lagi? Sini ya? Lift on top of lift at the side of lift. And then lift this side of lift skylight.
Sana. Ada
Ni.
kita tak?
Yang ni lah, yang tadi. Betul lah yang ni.
Okay.
Same.
Same.
That's what we talk about it already.
Yeah.
That's what we talk about it.
The last one is yang ni.
What's that?
This one is at the entrance.
This one. What's this? What
This
material
is
is this?
main entrance.
What material is this?
One we will use.
Wooden poles. Wow,
Yes.
very big. 200 by 200. How to buy? Very expensive.
Kita nak gerakkan sekejap.
Oh,
Berapa?
mouse.
Why we put the wood grain like this? The wood should be wood grain.
Zoom in.
Concrete also, but we have laminated. We just put the laminate on.
Or wood on it.
Yeah,
Then we will specify now.
Tarik dua, tarik ke belakang.
So it's laminated RC. RC lah.
Kat mana nak zoom? Oh, orbit. Berat. Okay. Lepas tu zoom in, zoom out. Okay. Lepas tu slowly.
Also, we must look at something that lasting. Flat, lasting, may not lasting.
Should be like this one. So we can put a laminate or just use the real wood. For the entrance.
Real wood, more lasting lah, but it's expensive lah. This is 200 by 200. Wow.
Okay. Yang ni.
So there's a roof, glass roof on the top.
Ish.
How to drain out the water?
This one because we do like a degree, like 2 degree. So
Drain to the side,
just
then
drain
to the column.
To the column.
You know, the column will be all wet, so it will be moldy.
Can we just make it like
that?
drop to the landscape?
Yeah, but not enough lah, because you will get.
Straight.
You will get here. So number one is whether what is this lah? We need to decide what is this.
Better the solid wood lah.
Better solid wood lah, but solid wood is very expensive. Because 200 by 200, it has to be chinga. And then whether you can spend, how big is the spend? So you can spend this, you know.
This one is
What's
5.2.
Wow, cannot spend no. How to spend? Oh, yeah. 5.2, no? I think even RC also, you need at least 300, eh? Even RC will be at least 300.
300 the width.
Yeah, the depth.
This last try.
Huh?
300 tu.
200 cannot spend, I think you will set. Yeah. Unless you put steel, another way is steel cladded.
Because actually at the front we use the steel. At the front we use the steel actually.
One piece only. The rest all timber.
Yes, I'm thinking that.
No, another way have you considered? Another way we can do is I-beam, you know. I-beam. And then timber.
Oh, okay. So we can get the timber looks lah.
Then we have a steel edge.
So the timber only put inside the beam.
It can last longer actually probably. Yeah, maybe the way okay with you.
And as long as we can get the looks, the timbers look.
Yeah, the timber look is there. It's just they have an edge
Yes.
of
I think
steel
it's
edge
okay.
lah. Steel edge.
It's possible to do
So
it
it's-
because
it-
it's
yeah.
more 200
Yeah, then 200 can do. Then your timber also cheaper. Because 200 by 200 timber very expensive. Big chunky. So you may have to have a junction. We have like that. No?
Beam.
Then you need to think about how to
Mount.
do the detailing. And this one also, the spacing is how big you got? Roof plan or? The roof plan or this one?
Huh?
How's the spacing of the column?
Chia. Glass.
Berapa? Quite dense, no? Maybe from your perspective, it looks a lot.
I-beam.
Berapa? How many of them altogether?
Sekejap.
Berapa? Satu, dua.
Tarik dua. Okay.
Oh, no, mas.
Ada mah. Tapi roller dia batu aku kurang. Jadi kena zoom ke pakai dua jari ni. Sini.
So then, okay, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 over. Mana plan?
Sini nah.
What's 100?
200. In between
So
200.
3 meter. 3 meter. Yeah? Which one's 100? Yeah, 3 meter. 3 meter, you got 7. 3 meters.
So 200 ah. In between the
7. 400. Something. 400 something. Each.
what is
Hmm.
the Buddha structure?
So for the glass, is how long the glass? Glass is a problem now because you need joint.
5
You
meter
need 5
tadi.
meter glass.
5
You
meter.
need probably 2 joints here. You need 2 joints, and then we need to think about the joint. Maybe not so bad because you're only 400
Okay.
so I can use the aluminium
Right.
joint in
Macam tu.
Those are separate by 3 ah.
Ah.
3 glasses ah.
Yeah. So this piece here we can just put maybe a aluminium T.
Okay.
So the glass will be here.
Okay.
The glass will be here.
Mhm.
So this T will sit on top of the steel beam. Yeah. There will be screw on the steel beam lah. So this will be screw on the
Screw
steel
lah,
beam, screw on the
okay.
steel beam like that. So this one need not be big lah. And on top of the steel beam there will be T also. Like this. So again this is I-beam.
Okay. Yes.
Huh? So this one will be screw on the I-beam, and then the glass will be here. But we have a problem here lah. It will be dirty and insect goes inside. You look from top, dirty lah. But
Cannot be clean.
so whether you want to raise it with the frame,
Seal it with silicone.
hmm?
Seal.
Seal.
No more space also. No more space.
Yeah.
Very tight.
Unless we make it lower and the whole thing.
This one? RC behind,
Yeah.
Oh, very tight, The tolerance. This point too tight. Construction very difficult because if they make any mistake, gone already. No tolerance.
Maybe we can make it the whole thing lower.
But this one maybe low this one, Maybe turunkan ini.
Turunkan ini and yang ni sekali.
Sini pun susah masuk.
Yes, to put
Yeah,
install the glass.
lorong tu.
How to do the glass? See? Wow, very difficult.
We can make it lower.
We are
The arch.
looking at
The
entrance.
arch, no.
Number one is maybe we are thinking maybe instead of all timber, change it to I-beam, and then
Yes.
insert timber in the center. So it lasts longer. Instead of asking with timber cladding, it won't last. This one we can use solid timber.
Okay. Yep.
Then the next thing is to put how to put the glass.
I think we can do it lower, make it lower so we can install the glass.
Lower? How much lower? Since we have this height for this one. How much lower can? Is it the same level as this?
Tu ada.
Same level also can. Or slightly
If lower tu lah. Dia tak ada sense of
hierarchy lah.
dia tak ada like welcoming lah. If low lah. What if same level as this? Good. That's will be problem. Security lah. The Mr. Chia concern people might climb onto here.
Is it?
Yeah. Last time I remember concern on the security people.
Because now the glass, if you see the glass on top of the I-beam, this area not so good lah.
Yeah.
So we are thinking of maybe you should raise the glass, then you put aluminium, and then you put the
Glass on top of the aluminium.
like that. Then there's a space that you can clean. Not so
Think
bad.
okay. So higher lah kan? The road
But this one
glass
very small only lah. Maybe 50 will do lah.
50 mm. 50 mm very small. Okay. Okay. 5 mm. 5 cm. Okay. Okay. Dapat itu dia.
Then the next question is whether, because here got this length is too long, 5 something.
So we divide
By
by 3.
3 lah. But then
Three section.
so in between, whether in between you want to have this frame, or in between you don't have frameless, also can. But it's a silicon joint, more risky lah.
Yeah, we try to get this.
Just glass and glass only,
Yeah, we try to get this seamless look
Huh?
possible.
What's that?
We try to get the seamless look between the jointing and
Yeah, you don't see it from bottom,
Yes.
but when you go from a distance you don't see lah. At the bottom you look up, you see lah. So whether at the bottom you look up, the silicon joint is like that, or you have another frame, another 50 frame like this.
Okay, understand. Silicon jointing.
And then the color of the frame you got to decide whether it's a timber color. Maybe it's timber color.
Timber color.
Yes.
This one we can still decide later with when the glass people
Yeah,
come.
I
Like,
think this one we can
what sort
decide.
what sort of joint
Yes.
can be secured and minimized. Yeah. Okay. You understand, huh? So we solve this part. What else? What other glass?
So anything else? We have here dah, here, depan ni, dah. That's all kan? Maybe that's it.
What
We
about
have 5 on the glass roof.
Kau rasa kau tak buat
Here.
JJ.
No, here, this area, ada this area J, section J. This one.
it's a void?
It's
A pathway to
It's
the.
a power. It's basically the same like this, but without the column. Just on top. with the column as well, with the cellulose. Yeah. There's a small versions of this.
Yes. Same.
I think we can use the same specification.
This is also timber column.
Timber.
Can be like,
Earlier we proposed is composite. Earlier we proposed composite, more durable.
Oh, can? How big is this? The plastic timber.
It's a composite. It's a mix of wood and plastic.
Yeah, but can it be structural? You're using it as a structure, no?
They can design it. Insert some. I mean, basically the timber. This one is hollow. So we will be coming like that, but they will insert structure inside it.
So you design the steel first, lah. It's cladded by the composite timber, lah. Is it okay with him, that kind of timber?
Earlier he was okay lah, but I asked him to go if he need to visit the supplier's showroom, so he can decide it would be better for him. Maybe we can arrange one day with him to finalize on the material as well.
Yeah.
So
And then the glass, how does the glass sit on top? And then the flashing, because your glass is touching the wall and the flashing and all this.
Flashing.
Tak betul. What about the detailing? Explain detailing.
I think the detailing is most likely like this one.
So for timber can we not do this? Because this is elevation. So elevation, can we do the timber timber grain
line?
This looks like a section. Hatching looks like a section.
Okay, I think all the timbers we should put in the roof line timbers.
So this glass just sit on top only. Cannot be, is it?
Yeah, I think it should be the same
some
as this.
frame, yeah, you need some kind of frame.
Frame to hold it as well.
Not that cannot like, because there are certain architect like what's his name? Oh, I can't remember. Oh, architect.
Malaysian?
No, Swedish.
Oh, Swedish.
He put his window all using some bitumen to join one. No. Swedish. And also this is the wall, he put a light, then the glass just like that stick inside the wall, no frame one.
That's nice.
Nice type for his style of architecture, but that's very bad.
Swedish.
Portal.
Basement job.
Swedish or when I find out, I'll let you know. Okay.
Right.
So we need to solve the framing problem and flashing, because you're touching the wall.
Yes. This one is not correct. The 3D is not.
Touch
Accurate.
wall.
No glass on there.
No.
But
Just
only here.
inside, yeah.
What about this idea? Bawah? There will be this column.
Yes.
Means column will go all the way, like glass on top will be
Yes, it's not only, yeah.
The next thing we need to decide how far to extend this. So they won't dirty the column.
Yeah, at first like I like the like the sleek look if it's like terminate directly on the corner. Maybe yeah, but of course lah. There will be some problem with the watermark and everything.
Yeah.
I like the sleek look if it's
Can we do
terminate all the way.
The glass, we put the glass at the side.
Return the glass.
Yes.
Same thing, you're still bringing the water to the column.
I like the sleek look lah. We have that sharp corner rather than otherwise this one look like typical roof glass roof.
Then the column forever wet.
Yeah.
It'll be wet and stained and rusty.
Yeah,
Now you're putting timber and steel.
Deteriorate. Weathering.
Maybe
No
1
choice,
feet.
No choice that you have to extend it.
Probably half feet, 200 to 300, 1 feet.
But your frame need not your
only glass.
your aluminum frame need not, your aluminum can terminate so you don't see much.
Yes.
You just see like feather
Mm.
at the edge only. Okay, soft. Any more? Any more glass on ground floor?
That's it. That's it.
So this one also we need to think about the system of how many of these we have. So I think we have one here, which we solve with I-beam. This one how we going to solve with the metal inside?
That one we will need to discuss with the supplier. But last time we did discuss, they said they can do to get this.
So you want it to look at solid wood, or you want to express the metal as well? That's the architecture question to be asked now.
Yeah, at first we wanted like full solid wood, but we suggested on the external not to use solid wood because of the feature
No, you can use that composite wood. What I'm
Mm.
thinking is the look that you are achieving, is it the composite wood? You can make it look as if like solid wood,
Yeah.
or you can want to express the steel and the
No, as a solid wood.
solid wood.
Even on the panel material, the material, the colors of the wood as well, it's not much consistent. They can achieve the natural wood color like the
Yeah, I know. Nowadays are very good quality. So it's a matter of detailing the look, whether you want to have this kind of look, express the steel, or
Always
you
express
you
steel.
don't express the steel at all.
Okay.
What color?
Any more of this? Any more anywhere else?
Dua.
I think that's.
We got to resolve it together at one
I think
go.
that's
lah.
one,
Yang roof sekali ke?
two. I think just two. Another one is this one is
This one?
just a louvers je kan, or roof kan. Yeah, I think the latest one we just put it as just as the louvers lah.
Can so high, without support.
There will be frame. There will be frame to.
No. I mean like that, the horizontal support. It's very flimsy, it's 3 meters like that. You need horizontal support. So you want to conceal it so that you set it back or put in the center so you don't see. So you can express the verticality. So you lay down on the horizontal support.
So
Because I think by itself cannot
yeah, there will be some horizontal support.
unless you have steel inside Unless you put steel in the center and then clad it, that will be bigger. The element will be bigger already.
I think if you look at the drawings, we have extended this a little bit
Oh.
with the roof covering. Yeah, this way we
So
need
even
to think
longer.
of- maybe it's a structure, like it's a steel. Maybe
Yeah,
it's
maybe
a
it's
small
steel
roof,
lah.
Maybe it's a steel.
Steel cladded
Because-
already.
Yeah. The reason why we have this last time, if you can recall, Mr. Chia wanted something that he can access to the rooftop, so that this
So that's
area-
the stair. That's the
there won't be
cat ladder.
it won't be cat ladder. He wanted just cat ladder because concern of security was. So
Which means the top got to be covered also lah.
yeah, it will be this
Continue.
yeah this wall structure will be continue up a
And
little bit
then
higher.
folding it, bend it, and then got glass.
Yeah, glass on top.
Glass on top also.
This
Same system.
Yes, it's the same system. So
Then the hole, how do you cover the hole? No need to cover. The hole never mind.
there will be glass roof on top. That's it.
Yeah, but the side,
On the side probably
rain will still get in.
wall as well.
Wall
No.
as well.
Just raise up a wall because you just need this for not protection from the rain, just security for him not to fall down. This is just to help him. to
So rain going is okay lah.
Yeah, it's okay. Because this one is where
Balcony.
rain comes in.
Oh, that's a
Mm.
balcony already lah. Okay.
Area sini kan?
Yeah, that one.
Another one.
Yeah, this one.
Tapi aku tak buat yang ni. Tak
The detailing.
tak ada detailing itu.
But more or less it would be something like a frame going up, covering. So just protect him to not fall down.
Okay. Okay.
Maybe this one we need to change to steel instead of the
So we need to we need to find the profile and then see whether we can, let's say we can do sometimes we can do the steel in the center and then put two pieces together also nice. So this is steel. This could be, I don't know what size lah. This one maybe a thin piece. That's one way. because if you try to cover everything, it's very difficult one. When they crack, when they
Expand.
don't match, when they then it's not nice. It's better to go to express the gap. For
So
detailing
that-
generally.
So that we see some gap lah.
Yeah.
I think it could be nice as well.
Yeah. Or if you don't want the gap to be so big,
Mm.
you can do it like this, and you still see the gap. So try not to join things like that.
Covering
Always leave a gap. It's an easier way for us, easier for contractor, easier way for
Construction.
lasting. So because if you butt join like that, two pieces like this, it's still inside. If anything goes wrong here, not like that, you see easily. You know. Okay, that's good. All glass done already, all the external glass.
Yes.
Okay, let's look at the railing, glass railing. How you do the glass railing?
in the balcony area. I think that's great.
All standardized now. Got the glass balustrade got handrail one or not? Or don't have?
Plus we toilet. Try to get like seamless, transparent looks.
But if it's too long, how long is the longest one? If it's too long, like
This
this
will
one.
break some of it now.
This one.
This is the length of the that's really it's 4,200 rings extension. So but we divide it into equal sizes. So probably around 1,100.
So but when it's too long, it can buckle, wobbly, you know. Without the one way of supporting it is
Dua ni.
one way of supporting it is to have the thing here. You lost your oh no, mine is inside. This is to have a railing inside lah.
This will be another one. Inside going.
So this handrail will
So this will tie to the glass. Oh.
with the hole lah. With the hole lah. So not so clean lah, the line not so clean.
So it will go from further on the front.
But this will make it more stable. And what we need to see how deep it is.
Dah, mana hilang?
Ask the glass supplier.
Mm.
Usually quite deep. Because if you don't have this, your problem is going to be wobbly. People don't feel safe. But if you have this, may not be as nice. So it's a question of aesthetic over security. Because some people may lean against it and break, you know, if you don't know how. And then another thing to consider is what's the detail here at two edges, at the two sides. Whether you want it to be into the wall or leaving a gap. Yeah. Leaving a gap would be easier for the contractor lah.
And I think it would be nicer as well.
Yeah,
So
easier to
like
finish as well.
Like you said, it's shadow gap or
Yeah.
like a gap. So all the termination we have some floating effect.
So if you want to have a gap, all the more you need this, because this will stabilize it. Otherwise, that piece of glass is just like that, and you can deliver it like that. Another way of putting the railing is here now on top,
Yeah.
thin line, either square or round. That also helps to stabilize it. So So we explore lah, see.
Yeah, I think this one.
But
we
it
need
must
to
have some
see.
railing lah, because otherwise I don't feel safe, you know.
Okay.
People may lean against you when party time.
Yeah,
They-
we'll look around as well. I think
Drink.
on different supplier if they can
Yeah.
give some ideas. as well.
So this one is quite easy. This one you just do it like that. You just have be a dot on the outside only.
Okay.
Won't be big.
So it means one glass will be one dot, one dot, one dot, and then
Yeah.
continuous
Yeah.
rail.
And don't touch the wall. So leave a
Mm.
gap. Or you do something like this, or you do something like this.
Yeah, we have done this.
Mm.
Just put aluminium on top lah. This as well is nice lah.
Yeah.
It's simple.
Not
as well.
aluminum. It must be stainless steel.
Stainless
Proper,
steel. Mm.
proper railing. Stainless steel.
Mm.
Hairline stainless steel.
Mm.
Aluminum wouldn't be nice.
What about the height? You think 1 meter is enough?
1 meter should be enough
Yeah, I think it
for
should be
houses.
enough.
Huh?
Mm.
Our DPR is what 900 only. Is it?
Yeah. Minimum is 900, but 900 sometimes.
Public building we do
DBKL.
1 public building we do it 1.2.
Yeah, so now DBKL they wanted at least 1,000 for housing.
Mm.
So we try to not to do 900. 1 meter is more safer lah. That's true.
But for public building we do it 1.2. lah.
Okay.
Is this 2.4?
That
One,
one
this is actually 4.2 kan?
1.4 ya.
Well,
1.4.
but the division of the thing here no glass ah. Here see got glass eh?
Got glass, got glass.
Maybe this one piece lah.
We tried to get longest 1,100.
So you try to line up with the window lah, but
Yeah.
then here got problem. Here one small piece not nice ah. Then the plan is here.
This one.
Dia ada
Which one?
yang ada safety punya.
So you need,
Oh, yeah.
you need to decide
So
also
this is what,
where
so this is the one that maybe we could
Have to
move
put
it
inside,
inside,
yeah.
rather than on the outside.
but once you move it inside, I think this division may have to divide 4 pieces by itself without related to the window, because need not relate to the window
Yeah.
anymore.
Yes, yes.
Because it's important
Yes.
that when I look from outside, I see
Yes.
equal instead of I see that.
Yeah.
Then one small piece.
Split icon ni lah, sebab we have more
Hmm.
extension.
This one goes up. Ah?
Yep, goes up, should be goes up, yes.
What is this? Huh?
There's a railing on top.
Oh.
Since the last time you wanted like if the main
So
scoring
thick,
on
so
top,
big,
we just do around 1 meter as well. 1 meter high, but the design, I mean, still we do to manufacture detail lah, but
We can just do like
earlier, yeah, we
the reinforcement steel kind of thing, yeah, just
Yeah.
round pipe, round.
very minimal this, so there won't be jointing.
Yeah,
So we try to
yeah.
just for the sake
Just
of
use the steel bar.
Hmm.
Just bend the steel bar.
Yeah,
then
you
use
can,
it.
yes,
Nicer than minimal.
yes, minimalist.
Then paint it black.
Black. Yep.
You don't see at all.
It shouldn't have so much joint. Vertical elements, yeah.
Yang ni kah?
Okay.
Yang ni warnanya.
Rail on top, rooftop. Ada that we can that will be, yes, it
What
will
is
be steel bar.
Sebab dia ada parapai wall tu.
Detail steel bar.
Tak, aku letak situ je. Oh, bawah dia. Cantik kan? Yang tu.
Oh, we make it 450 instead of 1 meter. It's just like a, so that when people stay on the ground, eye level, they won't see the handrail. Just a
So
sake of,
why you need this curb everywhere? to protect it.
Yeah, to protect, to secure. So there will be scupper drain as well here. So
How about this side? How to drain this side?
there will be this. We put some hole so the drain change into the scupper drain.
But then no more problem. Try not to put a hole. Maybe drain the other way. Drain to this way.
This one already outside. So what we do, the scupper drain will be the middle. Send all the extended like macam the flat roof will drop inwards.
And how?
So we try not to have like fall to the external.
So here needs a coping. Here needs a coping.
Then this will change our facade.
But no choice because like that
Because we try to get
It
like
was dirty.
seamless termination.
you're dirty very easily. But this one, nothing one, you don't see one.
Is it okay? Okay. Maybe we try to have it.
Because even you see a lot of modern building, whether you have a concrete one or you put a metal one lah.
Okay.
Or you
how long should we go? How?
maybe 100.
100.
If you look at history, a lot of Le Corbusier's and other people's modern building, you think is totally modern, but they still have coping one. No? They still have coping one. It's just that we don't realize.
It's not so obvious.
Yeah, it's very small coping.
Okay.
No choice. Because otherwise you're building dirty very fast.
This one can be used. Can use steel as well.
Can use steel. Can use aluminium.
Aluminium. How's the connection? Concrete and the aluminium.
Just squeeze down and then.
So we drill in or
I don't know.
we can
Yeah,
find it.
I think
we
it
can find it.
won't be so big.
I think aluminium will be nice as well.
Aluminium will be very small.
Yeah, the aluminium will be nice as well. So you can create that shadow line as well.
Well, I'm not comfortable with this crossing now.
Oh. What if we have 2 layers of scupper drains?
No, I'd rather you have the brick.
Means not to have this RC lah. Means the scupper drain will be the middle. So we take off the RC. So the railing will be just stand.
Problem also, you have this also your problem because your railing point too many point puncturing the roof. This is good system, but what I would suggest is whether you can have it. Where did this go? The rainwater downpipe go inside, is it?
Yep. That will be, I don't know, first floor, second floor plan. Second floor plan.
So it's in the ceiling and then bend somewhere lah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if you can have that system.
Tengok roof ke?
Second floor plan.
Nak tengok roof ke apa?
Tak, second floor plan.
Oh, ni yes. Ya, betul yang ni.
So, the one here, grid F. So there will be bending to this. There will be bending inside the shielding that it goes to this. So the one that's what we when you wanted suggested last time. All the piping we will put at external easier for maintenance.
So for this we need to look at the drain also for here. Maybe you want to drain it here, drain it there, and then maybe
all this we drop.
then maybe you open the corner lah. You don't continue the corner. So the corner will go through. So here same thing. You drain here, you drain here, you open the center. You drain here, you open the center.
Okay.
Easier for them to
so it will
waterproof.
be something like that. So they will drop that way. So check water here, drop.
So no railing, no curb lah.
How big shall to open be?
Doesn't matter lah.
Doesn't matter. Okay. Alright. I think we do what. Yeah. Alright.
Okay. So this one just a steel pipe. Just a steel pipe will do lah.
Yeah, that's a step up.
Steel,
So extend the RC.
steel bar actually.
Yeah. Extend
Steel
the RC
bar.
415 is steel bar. Very minimalist.
So this one you need to draw the thing, the drain thing, dome shape thing.
Oh, okay. For the rainwater pipe covering.
Installation
Installation for
for roof.
roof detailing at the roof.
This one?
Slab.
Itu
Ada installation.
ada.
Because we do
Installation
concrete
for
roof slab.
50 mm.
We have concrete roof slab, so
The
so
slab
means we
is-
do
The slab is how much? 100.
the slab we do 100 can 100 if I'm mistaken.
Tahap.
Uh, I think we do 100, 50 mm thick, and then 20 mm. This one's waterproofing. Tak ada spec.
Apa dia?
But I think the slab we will get advice from engineer lah. Something they will advise on the roofs.
Yeah, they have to give us by now.
Ya, bukan 1,500 besar.
Ini group
Kalau
detailing
saya
they haven't done.
1,500 100 hingga 1,500. Kasi
Well, I want to make a
100.
suggestion is that I learned from one guy, Anthony Leety. You know him or not? Heard of him? He's a regular. He's very active in our building inspection. I asked him how-
100.
Lee and his
I
council
think,
member or something.
yeah, I think
White hair guy.
Yeah, white hair guy.
So I asked him to how to do RC roof to make it not leaking. He suggested to me, he said it's better to tilt it, you know. So instead of having our
Straight.
screening to fall, actually you fall the RC slab in the first place.
Oh.
Slope the RC slab. So we may have to do that engineering exercise to how the fall work with the engineer, how to fall the slope. But not now lah, later. Because now we need a lot of other things to solve.
Yeah.
The roof comes later.
Okay.
So I think he's got a lot of points because otherwise no point because whatever we do, if it's flat slab, there will still be ponding.
Yes.
And the ponding will then go into the RC slab and then you don't know where it is. There are two levels of ponding. One level of ponding is, so this is RC slab, right? This is screening, right?
Yeah, screening.
So we screed to 4, but a lot of time we have ponding like that here,
Yeah.
right? So we don't know inside here also we have ponding in the RC slab.
Okay.
So the water will stream in and ponding inside here which we cannot see one.
Yes.
But if we slope it, so no matter what it cannot pond. Then you put screening over it. I think it's a very good solution.
Yeah, that makes sense.
It'll make our house more safe. I mean more waterproof.
Yep.
Hmm?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea.
So but make sure you don't forget to do it
It
in the
falls.
later part of it. In the construction drawing time. Coordinating with the engineer and contractor. It's good for everybody because if it doesn't leak, the contractor also can sleep. If the house keep leaking, the contractor keep coming back to repair, you know.
Then we must put in RC concrete roof slab, fall to
To detail, fall to
detail.
Yeah.
To engineer detail.
Yeah.
Then we spec in straight away the slab itself fall. Okay.
Oh, a lot to cover. Still a lot now. How? You all got energy or not? What time is the afternoon appointment?
No, I think I'm fine to settle this with today.
But I don't think we can settle today.
Yeah,
We settle as much
can
as
do
we
it
can.
different days as well.
What time is it now?
12:50.
What time do you have lunch?
Any time is fine.
We do until 1 lah, can lah.
Okay.
We do
Another
1 more
10
hour.
minutes.
After lunch we finish lah. Then we do another
Okay,
thing.
okay.
And when was good toilet is the back.
Yeah.
We go toilet.
Take notes and so on. Lepas ni hantar kau dengan Miro je pun boleh kan? Nanti benda ni kan? Tak ni macam tu lah, detailing je sekarang ni. Detailing. Kau ada ID library kat sini mana? Ada kawan-kawan lagi dekat ID. Tak ada? Tak ada. subline lah. Then kau dah kena tahu what technical.
What ceiling are we using? Plaster ceiling.
Plaster ceiling, gypsum board.
And then what's the edging? Color, shadow line
We wanted to do shadow line.
How about him? The line okay or not? Shadow line?
We haven't.
Oh, that one maybe leave it to interior lah. We do it later lah.
Yeah.
We do more architecture first.
Yes.
How about window? Window and
Window
door.
Windows, door. Oh yeah, another thing is.
What are we using? Aluminium or timber?
Everything is aluminium.
It doesn't mind.
Yeah, based on the one we have shared on the facade, everything is aluminium. So we sure the same as well. Last time we checked, it's aluminium.
Or 2.4.
Height. Yeah, but
At least 2.4 lah.
at least
Higher lah.
2.4, yeah. But that's what we wanted to suggest. Maybe the ground floor can be higher, 9 feet, 2.7. So,
Yeah, okay.
but for now we do it or we modify later or we change it now.
What?
The height for glass window on the ground floor, because now we captured everything 8 feet. But after we do some 3D and then readjustment on the ID
We
work,
can adjust now, no?
we change
We
everything.
adjust now lah.
Then we
Cloud
change-
it, lah. Make sure you cloud. Whatever you do now, we better cloud.
Then we change all the ground floor height is to 9 feet. Can, okay,
You
yeah.
guys want coffee or not?
It's fine, it's okay.
Okay, so that we
Yeah, it's okay.
we have
I'll
coffee.
take my own water.
Kopi.
I'm fasting
Oh,
since last night, since Sunday night.
I see.
Yesterday
What?
Monday, just for health.
okay, good.
So I don't eat until lunchtime.
Oh,
And so I can have coffee and tea.
So it's like intermittent fasting like you do IF.
Hmm.
Oh, that's good.
So we need to select the color and the size.
For the color, I think last time we
Bronze,
the color of the frame or glass?
Color of the frame.
Black powder coated.
Black. He likes
Yeah.
black.
We put in black powder coated lah. I mean, frame with MMS, powder coated. We put powder coated, but the colors, based on what we have shared, everything is black lah. It's a grey. So I believe you don't have any like
Okay, look, if it's okay lah.
yeah, but that's
But bronze will be more luxurious lah. Black is a bit too.
bronze means powder coated.
Bronze.
Bronze color. I put it. Bronze
Or
color is
wood
something.
color.
No. There's this sample rooms here.
I couldn't recall the bronze color. No, black is okay. Yeah, black. Sleek. It's all black.
Belakang ni bronze.
Huh?
Warna cahaya ni bronze. Yang tu. Sini bronze.
Hitam lah tu.
Ni, sini. Ni bronze.
That one's painting, tak boleh same material. Ibarat kau cakap, ni yellow.
Iya.
Tapi itu sini on white.
Aluminum guys, now you want to do a material thing. Get them to give you some
Sample.
samples lah. So I think this type of color will be richer for a bungalow. You know, black is a bit too harsh.
Okay, maybe we try to put in some bronze color and then we have a look.
Yeah, with bronze and wood, I think it works well lah. Because even your perspective is not quite black, it's a bit bronzy color. So we need to have a kind of a luxurious feel about bungalow lah.
Sure, I think we put in only for the windows lah, all the windows. So this one.
You can paint if you want timber. if you do the I-beam one, then I-beam we can choose the bronze paint instead of black paint.
So this one is when we change to
to
Bronze.
I-beam.
Bronze color.
Bronze color.
Okay. Maybe we try to
Dark bronze lah, dark bronze.
Dark
We play around with it lah,
Okay.
but not this
Okay.
this bit light lah. This bit light.
Okay.
Dark.
Alright. So we have specking powder coated, so we have captured it, but we haven't finalized.
It can be powder coated bronze mah.
Yeah, I mean, I'm trying to say we have captured powder coated.
Oh, okay.
I haven't decided on color.
Show color, yeah.
Costing is captured.
Yeah.
Alright.
What else?
So that's on the door window schedule.
So if you can, also we note down the changes lah.
Yes.
So that everyone knows lah.
So we'll
Cloud
do
and note
right
lah.
now
1, 2, 3.
of changes. With cloud. So that's it for.
How about the
all
M&E
this.
one? M&E the pipes.
The position.
He wants to put it on outside one.
So for the piping, so let's do this.
What's the time all calculated already?
Calculated.
By M&E, yeah?
Water tank is by CNS. So these are the positions that we propose on the rear drum pipe. So it will be exposed, so we could cover perforated panel. I mean to conceal it. So future maintenance, we just leave it out, maintain on the piping.
All supply or?
Here, and then this one. Is that the piping?
Tengok apa?
For example, like this one. Do you wanted the piping for the toilet to be exposed as well?
As much as possible lah, all
Okay,
pipes.
like for example, like this on the second floor, the master toilet, it can be shared with the rear water pipe here.
Yeah,
So
we
anything
should.
So for this one as well, we will need to have some cornering here.
But this corner is better on the outside.
That will be here. I think it will be here. This is quite far from the toilet. So it could be somewhere here. So we need to
This works out.
works out it.
We need to think of a system, see anybody can help us to do this.
The box up system.
And we need to have a system where they can easily screw and unscrew and take it out.
For example, like this one as well. This is right in the middle of the house. Here and here, we have. I mean, we do put in something that like a system that can be opened up. It's not fully concrete covered like this. So,
But this one can take output outside anyway, since it's already out.
But this is on the facade.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we try to have a clean facade, not the.
I see.
We try to have clean facade here, but whatever we can do at the back, we expose.
So let's look to some supplier for aluminium.
Okay.
Think of a system where we can do it.
So this will be aluminium system.
As much as possible. Internal one I may not bother so much, we just cover it up and just access from ceiling will do that.
So this one just cover it up with brick wall.
Yeah.
Okay.
If the best is to bring it out, then we can put metal panel around it. But if it's internal, no choice, then cover it up with brick and then we just access
from the ceiling.
from the
Exactly.
ceiling.
Okay. That is why we just cover it up. Just cover it up. The one at the back can be the system.
How about supply pipe?
The position?
Yeah.
The
The
pipe
main supply pipe is from outside, isn't it?
from the rooftop.
From rooftop. Go down.
Go down. But then roof panel is up.
Huh?
Roof panel.
atas
Hah?
roof plan.
Yang ni. Sekejap. Hmm.
So the water tank will be here. So there will be 450 and 450. The calculations provided, confirmed by
And where do
CNS.
you supply? Where do you supply to?
This one will be supplied to all this toilet here.
Go into the building lah.
Yeah, going to the building.
Maybe you can clarify with him what he meant, because I understand at one time he wanted the supply to be on the outside.
Oh. Supply from the outside.
As much as
Mr.
possible.
Chair wanted.
I can't remember well. I thought so lah.
Okay. I mean, I did inform him, we shall meet up with our consultants to finalize on these things lah. I mean, these like M&E things. So maybe I mean inform him after Chinese New Year.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, maybe we set a date. We need to finalize everything.
Anything else we need to review?
Staircase detail.
Okay. Lift got supplier already.
Haven't confirmed, but we
But the size
sorted
okay.
out-
The size okay.
Yeah, the size we have captured. We have captured the size.
This one over the setback okay.
It shall not lah, it shall not. This one should be masuk balik. Tak masuk setback. The one yang tadi tu kita masuk dalam balik.
Okay, number one, try to avoid shading on elevation. Huh? No such thing on elevation.
Yeah.
Very confusing.
Nice.
Because it should be in elevation.
Yeah,
Shouldn't
one
be.
section, agree.
This is wooden or timber.
Timber.
Timber, you do timber grain
Mm.
Nice timber grain.
We wanted to have something like this. To have
This one following CNS drawing.
haven't. This is what we do. Maybe CNS we will coordinate with CNS.
Is it exposed? This is the wall can be seen.
Yeah, we
Exposed.
try to have it like from the underneath. You can see the
steps.
structure steps. So we have
How
some.
about lights here? Where can you put the lights on?
The lights we can integrate. Put some light underneath.
Oh, you so much work.
Some ideal. I don't know. I mean,
Or you just put it on the wall.
oh, okay.
Because all this LED, after a while, maintenance, then
Yeah,
destroy,
so
then
it's
you very problematic.
One short
Yeah.
circuit, everything will be not.
Yeah, I think no need lah. Just general light will do. Lah. Here no need beam, here they don't.
There will be beam. This is the thing that we haven't finalized with CNS. What we just produced first because we're still waiting some of the CNS
And
drawings.
it's glass balustrade,
Yes.
frameless glass also.
Yeah.
Then how to support it with what, stainless steel? Stainless steel. No stainless steel support. Then how?
The detailing wise, there should be there should be some. I mean, there should be there should
Vertical. There should be vertical
yes,
lah.
yeah,
Okay.
yes, yeah.
Also, we try to avoid this for detailing.
Mm.
For when if there's a beam here,
Mm.
we try to go higher.
Mm. Yes.
Don't
Have
flush.
something like a shadow.
Don't flush.
Yeah. Okay.
Even if you want to flush, still put a
Yes,
gap
it's
there.
in there. Okay.
Like all this no good.
Mm.
All this no good. Very hard to achieve
Mm.
construction wise.
Yeah. You can see the herring line.
Ceiling.
No need leave motor room one, is it?
Motor room. I mean, he said it comes together. You may not need motorhome, but if not needed, I mean if needed, there will be another
higher lah.
room on top.
But it's a glass lift.
But it's a glass lift, not needed. So even you don't need like lift shaft as well. But we don't know yet how the system works. But I think we could.
Best would be glass, isn't it?
Yeah. Best would be glass.
So not very expensive, no.
Small scale for residents.
So this one got this railing, wooden railing on the glass.
The wooden railing is on the wall here. Something just along this side. Within this side.
Then this one? So on top of the glass. On top of the glass.
Sekejap.
Oh no, but Mount Steel Balustrade.
Sekejap. Yang tu yang sisa tu.
Sisa tu landing ya.
Oh, at the landing.
Sekejap.
At the landing.
Dah.
Oh, here lah.
Tak ada.
No, nobody
Sisa
go
tu.
here can be
Jangan.
C.
Okey. Ingat.
C1.
Syuk. Kau ingat kau kata tak nak apa ni dekat sini.
Okay.
Oh, so yang tu ialah dekat sini. Yang kau letak.
Open.
Sini.
Oh, so okay, yeah. So
Yang
this
glass.
one, here.
Glass.
Yang straight line itu.
Okay. So what we propose, because we have such a huge glass on this one, can 3D. Got 3D? Sketch up. Then view.
Tarik. Aku buang yang tu apa aku tak buang yang tu.
So that would be the glass for our staircase area. So on this side will be some part of it. So I propose to use glass railing here. So there will be some gap from this
glass
window with the staircase balustrade. So there will be some gap. So it creates some effects of like floating rather than have it all the way. So in terms of security wise,
So why do you need the...
Kiranya yang tu dah buang sebab yang sepatutnya ada railing sini kan.
So should not have this.
Sepatutnya yang tu tak ada. Semua.
So this one is the wrong drawing, not updated.
But if you need the railing, you can continue on the glass, ma. You can fix to the marlin of the glass frame.
Of this window. Of this window. Oh, okay.
You can use this. You can use the same system, but you fix it to the
Window.
window. Like
Okay.
here, you can fix here, and then the timber railing is there, lah.
So you might not need this anymore. So what we do is, because this will not join to the window, because you want to achieve this full height window.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
So this railing, we omit this, so we put the one you suggested connecting to the window.
You connect to the window whenever you need, lah. So if this is your window,
Yes.
and if you need the railing here, you just connect like that, and put the fixing to the marlin.
What are the slab jointing? Since
Better not the joint, lah.
yeah,
Better
not
leave
to
the
join.
Better
So there will be how what is the device?
up to us, maybe 50.
So it will be something like that. The slab will be the concrete slab. So this will be the so what is it? Marlin.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. So we top off this this will save us some cost as well.
What finish he wants for interior? Marble, isn't it?
Flooring. Mr. Shaw wanted timber.
Timber.
He wanted timber.
Solid timber.
Solid
Real timber.
Real timber. On the floor, on the wall, we can propose some marble finish and painting.
Okay. Any other stands?
Yang outdoor lift or staircase. Here. I think more or less the detail is
How does this finish?
So it will be jointing to the concrete slab.
What sort of finish is this? Timber also. Timber go around. Cement street. Cement street, no tiles or no stone.
Betul lah. Yang tu. Yang tu. Betul lah yang tu.
I try this one.
What,
For
what,
the
what outdoor cement street? No tile?
outdoor we
No
do
stone?
cements. This one ah.
Bukan ni yang depan.
Tak, yang ni yang dalam
Yes.
tu.
This one. Oh, okay. Since this one we do everything is concrete slab, cement rendered. This one is the apron outdoor, but here is wooden. Everything is this one is composite.
So he wants, he doesn't mind cement render lah. No tiles.
This one last time we
Tiles
proposed
or-
this one cement rendered. He's okay with all the external to be cement rendered. This one is he wanted to be timber loops, so that's why we proposed composite for staircase 3 and 4. But maybe we can confirm again on this area.
This one no render meh here?
Should be rendered lah. Should be.
Kau nak buat dia floating kan.
Yeah.
So
the
yang tu
effect-
yang tu yang aku masuk ke dalam.
This one actually we want to put lighting.
No, we wanted something effect like a floating effect.
Oh, okay.
So whether this is needed to be rendered or not, because we rendered here, but this is just like.
But it will be
we
very
want
rough. If you don't render, it will be rough.
But it's based on.
The floating effect, you can extend this now. Extend
Yeah,
it.
we extend it a little bit lah.
Yeah.
Maybe it should be longer.
Mm.
Then this should be cement rendered as well. Or?
Yeah, should be.
Should be rendered.
I don't know how to finish it.
Mm.
If it's not properly finished.
Mm.
So what is the railing material?
The railing for this section 55, this one, it's a MS railing, stainless steel and railing. This one.
Stainless steel lah.
Ya,
Hmm.
kuat stainless steel
This
sebab
is
dia
all
outdoor.
Stainless steel. This area, this is stainless steel.
Need to specify the finish now, huh? Hairline finish.
Sorry?
Hairline.
Airline finish.
This one don't straight, nah. Don't
Yeah, don't shade.
don't straight.
If it's
The
timber,
elevation,
that's
elevation.
right. Okay.
This one? Same principle lah, huh?
Yeah, same principles.
Okay.
Rope.
So that's it on the staircase. Anything special detailing? Staircase, plus. What about the one I remember that you're concerned about the rainwater harvesting tank? So we tried to put it on the first floor, but we couldn't get a reasonable space to put in the tank lah on the first floor. So
Who is calculating the thing for us? We calculate ourselves or we got consultant help?
we calculate ourselves. I mean, I did check with M&E, but they said,
It's our responsibility.
yeah, but
We can get supplier to help us lah. I can get a supplier to help us.
But we tried, I mean, for the submission sake, we just put in the minimum requirement. And MBSA, they don't mind about the.
Don't have to be
because it's
100%.
yeah, it doesn't have to be. Just to fulfilling the requirement, provide the.
How many percent will we have to collect? Is that a requirement by authority?
No, there is no requirement.
So long as we have lah.
As long as you have
Okay, so
it.
now what are the spaces we have?
A little detail though. We put it underground then.
We put it
Pump
underground.
up.
Pump up.
Okay lah, no choice lah.
Because we refer the MBSA template lah, so that's what they suggested, and we just simply follow to get the approval.
Okay.
But if Mr. Chair concerned on that, we can change after that lah, after the approval.
He wants above ground.
I'm not sure. We haven't discussed this with him lah.
Of course, above ground is easier lah, but underground no problem lah for long time.
Yeah, I think underground should be no problem.
Just
as well.
pump up only,
Yeah,
yeah.
just pump up. And you might use it just for irrigation plants. That's it. Yeah,
What material is this?
composite.
composite wood.
Yeah, composite
timber.
wood.
Oh, so you need to detail properly then.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You need to start.
we have started to coordinate with the supplier as well. We have produced some.
Have they given you all the sections that they have for you to play around with? Ask them for samples, lah.
Yeah, we did ask them for the detail as well.
And samples more important.
Yeah, sample as well. We have.
Look at the real material to play around with.
Siapa?
Elevation punya detail.
Hah?
Elevation
Pasal detailing.
Oh.
Yang mana?
Keluarkan. Kita dapat ada split.
Ini bagi reference.
Oh.
Because we do get some of the drawing from the supplier lah. So that very
So it's a solid one lah. It's not open one. It's not open frame lah. Everything is solid one lah.
Yes.
Where do you start?
Let's start from this one, type B. For example, type B, section B.
Small cladding.
Probably couldn't see the detailing, the jointing part especially. Dari besar.
So there's
Tak ada yang blow up.
in principle
Huh?
ada metal frame lah.
Correct, principle.
Yeah.
Find the drawing. Ada. Dia apa nama drawing?
Oh.
Drawing nama apa yang Cik?
Masa ada? Tak ada yang zoom kan?
Satu je.
Aku rasa satu je aku buat.
Ada. Should be at the metal frame kan?
Yeah.
I think there should be a metal frame to support, to join in between the wall and also the composite.
And this your composite is what what is the line and what is the inside? What are they?
Line tu, there is a gap ke?
Line is a
Or-
gap or is it express material?
Ni, yang kat ni. Macam frames. Is it they come in satu-satu panel? Or
Or is it the gap?
It's not that.
It's a
panel
frame.
lah, It's frame lah. It's a frame.
So-
ada contoh gambar yang
So it's like that, like that, like that,
Yes.
like that.
Yes.
Then inside panel.
Panel, yes.
So this is like in section. It's like that, and then panel. Is it?
Yes.
Huh?
Because
So-
this is a frame, right?
So like that lah. Then inside got metal frame some more lah.
Inside we have the steel.
Steel frame lah.
Steel frame lah.
Steel
Steel
lah.
frame lah kan. Steel frame yang dia akan clap.
Okay.
Maybe we'll share it to you as well, the more detailed zoom out. Because this one as well,
So
like,
but
you
a
cannot
few
see.
cautionary note that here there must be gap lah. Gap. Don't touch.
Okay.
Leave a gap.
Alright. To allow some expansion lah.
Yeah, and then here you got to either cover it or somehow there must be overall cover lah. Otherwise the water will go inside.
Okay.
Mm.
Unless we have the roof, right?
Yeah,
Capping lah, something like
coping,
capping.
yeah, capping. And then what's the maximum length? And then you must specify where they join nicely. So when they have a join, they join here. They don't simply join here. You must specify that. So this material goes all the way up or piece by piece. Like it's like
by piece.
one big piece,
One
and
big
then
piece,
then
yes.
they do this, they do
Yes.
this, they do this.
Yeah.
They have one big
Yes.
piece.
Oh, okay.
Big piece.
Okay. So you all work out the details, then we review again. How about
Okay.
here?
I think that another thing is we want to look at this. So earlier we was thinking, what if the concrete itself be molded to be like this, like this? So then after we further discuss with the supplier, so we suggesting, what if we just do a normal concrete like that, then the
Metal frame.
to get that tilted cornering
Okay.
looks.
And also, But then here make sure all got gap lah.
Yeah.
And the corner all got gap. Don't flush. Leave a gap.
So we put something like a C channel channeling gap.
Because it's so high, you don't do anything, you just paint black at the back.
Yeah, so
That's okay already.
So we do something like that. So we
How about lighting? Here got light. You put light here.
So I
But
think
how
I
to
was
change
thinking, I was thinking, yeah, it's hard
You have
to
to
change.
change light bulb. Fall down, die.
Yeah, I was thinking we can put one strip of C channel lighting, so it would be like a sleek, straight line within this timber.
And we think about it.
Something like this.
Or it can be from bottom up.
Yeah,
Shine also.
Can as well.
From the side as well.
Spotlight.
Can
You
as well.
don't need lighting consultant, no? You got lighting people, no?
We don't have.
I can get people to help us, lah.
Oh, sure.
Huh?
You can share with me the contact if you
Oh.
can analyze it.
They are supplier and also they'll be interested to supply, lah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, but here no ceiling, is it?
Section 6.
And here also need always need throating.
Throw thing.
Maybe something like this.
This one also need a fall, lah.
Mm.
Better fall back, lah. Fall back into the
Yeah.
roof. Nobody can see.
Mm.
Okay lah, I think we had a good workshop. No? Thank you so much for your time.
Yep.
We go makan lah, boleh?
Boleh, can.
What time?
Can.
What
We got time.
Okay lah, we pack up lah.
Mm.
Pack up. Then we go.
Okay. Boleh, packing dulu.
Tak nak cakap pasal ni ke? Yang kau post meditor yang tak tengah. Kita cakap lepas Rizal ngaji lo.
Ada satu kopi lagi tak?
Ini ni.
Yeah, one copy for you to have a look. So this one we keep it so we can revise everything that I've commented.
Kau nya. Tak pen satu.
Let's write name on this.
Ah, jadinya.